General Dynamics Land Systems announced that at the end of this year, will unveil the new next-generation armored combat vehicles, the Abrams tank, and the Stryker ICV. The company's announcement is short, and it is unclear whether GDLS will unveil a SEPv4 version that is actually an upgrade or a new design for a brand new Abrams tank. The lack of this information is important as these are two different tanks and have their own different integrated systems, functionalities, and specifications. The SEPv4 optical system, for example, will be IGT's 3G FLIR, while the next-generation Abrams tank is expected to be completely replaced by new PASEO sights. PASEO is manufactured by the French company Safran Group and is a latest-generation very long-range observation and attack sight. This optical system has a 360-degree panoramic view, cooled thermal imager 3 to 5 μm, integrated laser rangefinder with a range of just over 7 km, biaxial stabilization for greater performance and durability in extreme off-road terrain, and built-in add-on armor. The situation is similar to the weapon system of both tanks. According to sources, both tanks will have 120mm guns and 30x113mm RS6 RWS, but next-generation Abrams RWS must be operated independently, unlike SEPv4's CSWS, which is coaxial with CPS. RS6 RWS is a product of Kongsberg, an international technology company based in Norway, but also with production facilities in the United States. 210 Industrial Park Road, Johnstown, Pennsylvania 15904, U.S. RS6 RWS has the following integrated weapons: XM914 30x113mm with M247.62 cokes and one Javelin missile coaxially. According to customer requirements, this configuration can be with two Javelin missiles coaxially. The machine gun can also be replaced from XM914 to dual 40/50ths using 40mm AGL and Browning M2 12.7mm, which also allows for missiles coaxially. Which of the following options will be integrated into the next generation Abrams remains unknown. Abrams' version of SEPv4 is expected to be with Israel's Trophy Military Active Protection System APS. Sources suggest that exactly the same system will be integrated into the next generation of Abrams. If there is a difference between the two APS of the two tanks, it will be minimal or may be absent. Trophy APS is the latest generation of protection that the Israelis have successfully implemented in dozens of models of different functional armored vehicles and provides proven and guaranteed protection from existing ATGMs, RPGs, anti-tank rockets, and tank heat rounds. What exactly GDLS SEPv4 or next generation Abrams will present on October 10 remains to be seen. But getting acquainted with the characteristics of both tanks, it seems that soon the US military will have a radically different from the hitherto known Abrams tanks. The future Abrams tank is likely to be a game-changing weapon system to meet modern threats.